Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. What is going on here with the Nasdaq? Look at this thing overnight. What the world? What is it? What in the world is this? What the fuck? Oh God. An absolutely massive range here overnight. What is that? Like, we closed yesterday down to 800 area. Now we're up to 19,350. What the fuck? That's massive. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to think here. I mean, that's absolutely massive right now. We're all the way back up, like approaching that 370 resistance. Oh my Lord. Why did this happen to why did it have to happen overnight? Why? Well, you know, why couldn't it just be, why couldn't it have done it when the market opened? You know, why can't it ever be easy? Why can't it ever be easy? I just want it to be easy, man. This is my favorite. Somebody on Twitter posted that the QQQ, the Nasdaq drops $30 tomorrow. 10 hours ago he posted that, and ever since then it's only gone up overnight. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. The market doing whatever the fuck it wants. Oh man. Pulling up the daily chart here. Look at this fucking candle right now. God. Did somebody leak out the news? Did somebody leak out the news here? Did Powell tell somebody something? That is a massive overnight candle. Massive overnight candle. The funny part is we didn't even have any crazy news overnight. Like, what was the big news overnight that really made this move? I don't see anything big. We had some 8:30 news that came out. We had a little bit of a pop up from there, but the move started yesterday after hours. So, oh man, it's gonna be one of those days. One of those days. Microsoft earnings. I don't think it's Microsoft. I think Microsoft's down right now. Yeah, Microsoft dropped last night and is still below yesterday's close. Is it AMD? AMD sent the whole market higher. AMD did gap up, I guess. Crazy either way. Crazy either way. Nvidia, big rocket ship. Nvidia up $10, $11 right now after a big sell-off yesterday. Nvidia is basically back to where it opened yesterday. So, Got the gap. Got the gap. It's a big old gap today. Lordy, lordy. Looking at the book map right now, 19,370. That's a key level. You know, 370 is a key level on the chart for the Nasdaq. We've been stuck below that 370 level, the 400. Dollar pulling back overnight as well. Time to make some money. What do we got for news today? Any more news coming out this morning? I know we got a rate decision later on today. We got pending home sales at 10 o'clock. We got Chicago PMI numbers at 9:45. 10 o'clock numbers there as well. So it's gonna be wild. We got the FOMC press conference and statement at 2 o'clock. I will not be trading that. I'm going fishing, but hopefully make some money this morning so I don't have to worry about that later on today. So we'll see what plays out. We'll see if we break through. We got a pivot point there on the hourly chart at the 380s. So a lot of resistance here, 380 level. If we get through that, we'll see if the bulls have more power to push higher. Right now, that push after that 830, we had some 830 numbers come out there. The market up about 100 points since then. So on the book right now, there's a bunch of liquidity sitting there at the 370 level. 30 contracts right now. 375, 50 contracts. There's 62 contracts at 400, 425. And then look at that. 525, 270 contracts up there. The biggest block sitting up there. We had a iceberg order down there, 19,100 from the overnight. But right now, yeah, that 19,525 to the upside there. $19,500. Where's that put us? We got 19,588 on the pivot points there. Pivot point 19,588. Look at how big the range is here on these pivots today. Big range on the pivots. We got the VWAP down there. 19,150. Four-hour chart, that 380 pivot point right there at that resistance as well. So let's see what the bulls decide to do here. Like always, just being patient, waiting for the market to open up here. We got news at 9:45. We got news at 10 o'clock. So look at this thing. Just grinding higher right now. Impressive. Look how well, look at they just hold and go, just sitting there. 340s being defended. That 375 liquidity on the book map. Nasdaq pushing right now. Look at this. Oh. Look at it go. This is like my worst nightmare, waking up to this. Waking up to this price action, like, God damn it. Why? Look at this. Oh my God. Now it's, I was sitting here just thinking, I'm like, oh, maybe I'll just put on a long right here at the 50s, get this push up to the 70s, and there it goes up to the 70s now. Oh, Lord. If I would have gotten long right there at the 50s, it would have pulled back. So, if you're long right now, congratulations. I'm helping you out. You could have entered at the 53s for a push. I could have. I definitely could have. But like I said, trying to not... trying to not do that. TJ said he's shorting here now. Shorting here now. Let's see what happens for TJ. If it breaks above 380, 400, yeah, no, there's definitely definitely room to the upside there. You can see back above 370, 380, pretty clear till 19,600, 580 area. Now, TJ is going to be all right. He's going to be all right, TJ. It's going to drop like a rock right here for you. Everyone in the chat's making fun of TJ now. God, don't make fun of TJ. He might be right. It might drop like a rock. But I don't know if I'd want to short it right here. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Today is going to be a good day to have patience, my friends. No rush. We got plenty of time to make some money. There's no rush here. Don't have to feel like we got to even put a trade on. I actually thought about it earlier. I was like, man, I might not even trade today. You know? Might not even trade. FOMC day, interest rate decision. Might be a good day just to take a flip. You know, flip the Apex accounts. So we'll see what happens. Pat, tell Apex we need 90% off. Okay, hey Apex. He wants 90% off. You got a bunch of liquidity on the book map, 19,400s. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, I don't ask for much. Help me help you. It's free to like. Free to like. Pat, what do Apex mean by What do Apex mean by no flipping in the PA accounts? Basically what that means is you have to trade 10 days in the Apex account. You're allowed to flip 2 of those days, 20% of the total days. So 2 days out of 10, you can just basically buy and sell a micro contract and make it count as a trading day. If you've got 8 days of like solid good trading, nothing wrong with flipping contracts those, 2 days out of the 10. G in Thailand, bro, you cannot answer it, but I'm curious to know if you make more money with trading, YouTube, or only prop firms. Yeah, no, I make money, more money. I make more money. I make more money. Nasdaq right there, the 360 is trying to hold up for now. 9:15. We got 15 minutes till the market opens up. Liam, I am up 150% on gold. Oh, wow. The beat. Why does Apex allow 1-day pass for evaluations, but for the PA account, they don't let you over leverage? What do you mean they don't let you over leverage? They don't tell you how many contracts you can trade? What are you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? TJ. That's 60 area. Come on, TJ. We got to get through the 60s here, boy. Boy. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. They're holding it at the 60s. Where are you short from, TJ? 70, you said? You're short from 19,380? How's that possible? The high of that candle was 71, TJ. What you talking about? How is he short from 380? Oh, that's your sell limit. Wait, so TJ, are you short or are you not short? I'm confused. So you're not short? You're tall? You're long, but you're not short. I'm confused. Oh, TJ hasn't shorted yet. Damn it. We were all excited. We thought that TJ was already short, but little did we know he wasn't short. He will enter the short at the 380s. Wow. That's some ballsy shit right there. I think you'd be better off just waiting for 19,400s, TJ. I don't know if I don't know. I feel like 380 is like, if we hit 380 and you get filled, we're gonna push to 400. There's 93 contracts sitting at 400. Where's your stop at? What's your stop at, TJ? Right now, we're looking at the 2-minute chart. Please answer, Patrick. Is it the trend bearish from the daily chart? I mean, the trend might be bearish, but this might be a breakout as well. I mean, even if we push up to the 600, 19,600, 800 level, it doesn't mean that we're bullish. It just means that we're retracing, kind of breaking out there. But this reversal, we took out the lows down there. We bounced off this 18,800 level. This fucking candle right here, I mean, that's, I mean, talk about fucking bullish engulfing. If this whole candle takes out and then pushes up to here, holy mother of God. I don't think I've seen a candle like that. A green candle like that. Looking all the way through 2023 here. I don't see a green candle like that. There's this one, I guess. This one back there in November 2022. It's a big old green candle, my friends. Big old boner candle to the upside there. Where do you see news coming? Onlyprofirms.com. I mean, I would like to believe that we'll get some type of pullback here, you know? Get some type of pullback. We have the FOMC rate decision, FOMC press conference later on today. PW, how many times have you been in a payout balance and blew it the next day? Countless times. More times than I wanna even think about, to be honest. Being on like day 6, day 7, day 8, and blowing up. Oh, that hurts. I don't know what's worse, blowing up day 1 or blowing up day 8. I'm thinking day 8 blow-ups are the worst. You're right there, day 8, man. It's like, fucking just, it's right there, man. It's right, you're like right fucking there, man. Day 8. Day 8. Why don't you just stop trading when you reach the payout amount? Because I like to party? I don't know. The biggest move that Nasdaq has moved in a single day is 760 points. Well, today is the day to break the record. What are we at right now? How many points is this? I can't even count. I can't even count. I can't even count, man. Right now, we're up 490 points. Or so. 490 points or so. How am I feeling about the gap? Well, I know gaps love to get filled. I'm trying to not have any type of feeling right now, to be honest. Like I said earlier, I was thinking about not even trading today. I saw this big old gap up in the market. I know there's a lot of news today. FOMC. I don't know, man. I don't know. I want to be very patient today. I don't need to go crazy. Just want to trade what we see. No, you know, I don't want to have any type of like feeling that I'm like, oh, this is definitely going to pull back. It's 100% going to pull back. It's going to crash. And then all of a sudden it goes up 200 points. So just kind of wait for the opportunity here for a trade. That's all we got to do. Just be patient. I mean, it's an absolutely massive gap in the QQQ right now. 10-point gap. We got a 10-point gap. 10-point gap in the Qs right now. So we closed yesterday there at the 457s, currently up $10. So this is the gap from the overnight. Oh, lordy. Oh, lordy. We're running up into all that resistance here, so. We'll see where that first low comes in. We got the VWAP so far away right now. Ugh. VWAP is so far away. VWAP's all the way down there at 19,180s. Dollar selling off. Got this previous day high as well there at the 320. So yesterday's high, 320. If we can retest yesterday's high there at the 320 and see what happens from there. I would say congratulations to TJ for being short, but he's not short yet. He's still long. Oh, God. Look at that. He might get short. It might pop. Never mind. Patrick Wieland, did you spook with ICT yesterday? Yes, very spooky. All right, just so everybody knows, right now TJ is gonna get short here at the 380s. So we're putting that out there. I'm gonna put it on the chart here so everybody knows. TJ is short here at 380s. So let's see if TJ wins the day. TJ, where's your stop at? TJ's stop is at 19,400 or above it. $19,420. That's a 40 pointer. All right. We'll see. TJ stop. I might get short at 420. Buy stop at 380, target price 420. That's pretty good. 40 points to the upside there. The beat for PA account, 30% consistency rule. Yeah, just be consistent. That's the, if you make $10,000 in one day, make $10,000 every day, you know? Market already moving. All right, TJ is in. TJ is in. He's short. 380 breaking. My guy. Can you trade the NQ and the MNQ in the same day? Yeah, no problem. New here. Who's TJ? TJ is one of our members in the chat who is currently short. I mean, hey, I would love to see this drop down and TJ get 100 points. Like, I would love it. I'm all for it. I'm not laughing at TJ. I'm not against TJ by any means. I think it's great. He put out a plan. He has a plan. So let's see if it works out for him. Where's your target at, TJ? Let's put your target on the chart, just so we can have everything all transparent. All right, here we go. 15 seconds. His target, 19,228. My man. All right, TJ's target to the downside here. The trade has been set. The market's open. I'm like more invested in the idea of TJ making money here than anything now. Just want to see it happen for him. Here we go. Market is open. Up there to the 390s so far. Pulling back here into the 60s. Will the bulls respawn here at 60? Below the 60s, trouble here, but right now holding up. We need to see where this candle closes at. Currently, TJ's in the money here. Will he win today? Win the day, TJ. Win the day, buddy. Do it for daddy. Just sell it straight down there to the 228s, and then we can all celebrate with TJ. TJ. I know, if I would have gotten short at the 380s, TJ, I would have gotten stopped out 100%. So that's why I didn't do it. I did it for TJ. Hey, like I said, I'm not here. I'm all for it. I want to see the guys in the chat making money. I want to see you guys coming up with good ideas, you know? I want to see that. The whole point of this fucking stream is for you guys to also be good. I want you all making money, not just me. It's no fun if I'm the only one making money over here. Evan, I want to subscribe to TJ. Oh man, that's fucked up. What about me? I think we got a problem with Rhythmic right now. I'm having a problem with Rhythmic here on Bookmap right now. You can't see it, but there's actually an alert up there. Do you see that alert right now? It says at the top that there's a delay in my Rhythmic connection. That's not good. I don't know if I should restart it or look at that. The Bookmap is totally different price action. Let's see if I can restart it here, I guess. Before everybody freaks out and says that it's Apex, it's not Apex, it's Rhythmic. TJ gives entries. PW, can you do that too? Well, I said below 360, it's in trouble, so I don't know. But yes, TJ is the winner today, so far. I honestly just didn't have the balls to get short up there. I was hoping for that break through the 400s to get short or something. I'm still getting a delay on Bookmap right now. I got about a 3-second delay on Bookmap for that Rhythmic data. It's growing. 4 seconds, 5 seconds now. We got too excited. Nasdaq holding there at the 320s. Trying to kind of starting to curl up here. Things get interesting. You start squeezing back up here now. Back up there to the 360s really quickly. Nasdaq showing a lot of strength here. Pushing right back up. That 360 area, key level to get through again. Buyers stepping up here at the 50s again. Again, back up there, 350s. Watching that 360 level here. Up there to the 60s now. Get this move up there through the 370s next. Currently long, looking for this push up, taking off some profit here for this push up. Not gonna be greedy. My 20 points, give me that 80, there we go. Going for a 390 break here. Oh, buddy. Put 3 contracts right above 400 to get filled. I got the other 5 at break even now. See if we can get this run up through the 400s. Like I said, that 360 area key level. Look at this thing. This is the 1 minute chart. This is on a 1 minute candle right now. We're up 40 points. We're up 40 points. Up there through the 400s now. Come on, baby. Let's go. We got 2 contracts left. Let's see where we can go. I'm going to put my stop right there just to break even at this point. Who cares? Who cares? Put another one right here. Let's not get too greedy. Up there to the 4,011s now. Oh. 425 on the book map to get up to. I'm going to move this a little higher. 13. See if I get filled with the 13s. 2 contracts left. Hey, getting filled there, the 13s. Come on, boys and girls, come on. 1 contract left here. That's 40 points. Like I said, we get through the 60s there. There's my entry, 60, 75. That is what? 54 points to the upside. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, fam. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this thing. That was our setup right here. We get back above the high of this candle, 55, 60 right there. Got that one contract left there at the 67s for a break even, basically. If I get stopped out, totally fine with that. We still locked in beautiful profits here. I wanted to see if this thing was going to run up there above the 20s next. Not today. This is always what happens when I try to trail, when I try to hold on. People always say, leave a runner, Patrick, leave a runner. Goddamn runners. Goddamn runners, man. Them goddamn runners, man. TJ's still in his short. TJ did not get stopped out there. TJ said, hold my beer. I'm holding this thing. Are you still short, TJ? TJ, tell us, update us. How rich are you? Back at the 320s. Look at this fucking move, man. $300s down there next to get to. And this is why I did not want to trade today, because of this kind of craziness. We got 945 numbers here, just came out. I think the bulls are still in control here. That 360 area, key level. Look at that bounce again off the 340s down there. $19,300 liquidity sitting down there next. 19,400 to the upside up there. Sitting there at that 60 level. Will we get that explosion one more time to the upside? This price action has been absolutely wild. Back above the 70s possible there, and then see what happens after that. Up there through the 70s again. We got 10 o'clock news coming out here. Market trying to hold on to this 50 level. Below the 50s, the bulls are in trouble. Can they hold the 50s here? Squeeze up one more time. That 400 level up there. The high of that last candle, 79. They're trying to rip it one more time, they said. 80, the battleground here. We got news coming out at 10 o'clock. Market's waiting for this news probably. Let's see. Dollar's pulling back. Nasdaq's trying to pop up. Up there to the 80s. Just holding right here. 75 to the 80s now. Nasdaq needs to break through this 80 level to get the move going here again. She wants it. Going for that 400 area again. There she goes. Straight up through the 400. No trade right now, just sitting back, waiting and watching. We got these numbers coming out at 10 o'clock. Let's see what happens at 10 o'clock. Nasdaq right below that 19,400 level. There was a bunch of liquidity there earlier today. We got the highs so far being 1450. Today is, I don't know for sure, but today is the last day of the 80% off one-day pass with Apex. So if you're thinking about signing up, I don't know exactly what the next deal is, but we'll find out probably tomorrow, end of the month here. $10 o'clock, the news is out. And there's that push. The Nasdaq going for the 14 break. Going for it. There you go. Look at that thing. 420. Stops have been taken. All right. The fun was over for TJ. Congratulations, TJ. At least you had that nice move down there at open. So it happens sometimes. It happens. I give props to TJ for at least, you know, at least calling out a trade plan, sticking to it. No, TJ said his target was 3 was 228, I thought. Yeah, I'm not hating. I'm just saying, congratulations. You still took off half. Still a profitable trade. Congratulations. What kind of Lambo is that? That's an STO. STO. Lamborghini. McLaren. All right, now the market, now that we've stopped out TJ, now we're going to dump straight down. All right, the 15-minute range playing out right now. We have the open 15-minute range. We need to hold that kind of 4:15 area now. The chat's dead with 1.3 thousand viewers. How many zombie accounts are watching? Well, I bought 1,000 off of eBay. So about 300 people. I think most people are just actually trading and not talking in the chat. How many zombies are here? Put your hands up. Let us know. Don't worry, I'll send you guys your PayPal requests later on. $5 to watch the live stream every day. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Zombie, 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 zombie. Look at that. You guys are the best. The Nasdaq breaking out here through the 420s, now up there to the 430s. What a time to be alive. Can you hear me, bro? No, I can't hear you. What'd you say? Nasdaq gone right now. Where's it going? Jack Hudkins. Yeah, man. Send me an email. Patrick@marketflowtrader.com. Shane's in Tahiti right now for the Olympics, but I'll send it over to him if you got a sick pick. Sick pick. $15-minute breakout up now from the 15s up there to the 44s. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it. Just waiting for another setup here. Nothing to do right now. Just kind of waiting. We had that 15-minute breakout. See what happens if we can kind of put in a higher low there above the 400s. Another bull flag setup potential. We have a pivot point all the way up there at the 580s. How did TJ do? I think TJ took some profit but got stopped out the rest. All right, pulling back here now. Patience. Jack Hudkins, the pick of Shane was the largest wave you've ever photographed. Well, that's pretty big then. Someone asked if I'm looking to short. No, I'm looking for a bull flag to form here. What copy trader do I use? I use the Trade-Evate groups, trading groups. It's built into Trade-Evate. It's free. Built into Trade-Evate. You can set up groups and do copy trading right through Trade-Evate. Need some more consolidation up here. We got FOMC meeting today, interest rate decision, so be aware of that, obviously. 2 o'clock today. Don't go holding through 2 o'clock. If they can't hold the 420s, we're in trouble here for the bulls. They need to hold this 420, kind of 415 area. Below that, you see like 375 pretty quickly, so. Nasdaq holding up here. If we get through that 35 level, take out that high again. They're holding it right there at the 1520s, so. Up through the 30s now. Need that push straight through the 40s there. Oh, yeah. Well, there you go. Through the 35s, we're right up there through the highs now. But Patrick, you never tell me what to do. Would you look at that? Straight up there through the highs now, the Nasdaq. The 15-minute range playing out beautifully, by the way, if you guys haven't noticed. The high of that first 15-minute candle was 414. The low of that candle, 414.75. So... Storm, you can't find an entry? We just had the entry. This little pullback right here. You wait for the high, basically looking like the high on that candle 33, the high on that candle 35. I don't know, seemed pretty good to me. Had the entry right there above the 33s. I got long there at 33.75. Took it off there for that push up there to the 50s. Seemed like a pretty good entry. This is the 2-minute chart we're looking at right now. Austin just made $1,000 by longing the NQ. Well, congratulations to Austin for longing the QQQ, the Nasdaq. Paul Meir, are you entering on a specific candle, a pattern, or based on something else? I don't know how many times I have to explain this today. Guys, look at the first 15-minute candle of the day. Right there. What was the high of that candle? 1450. Right? So that's our opening range high. 15 minutes. Go to the 2-minute chart. What is happening at that 15-minute high right now? It's turning into support. Right? That's turning into support there. So, very simple. Waiting to get long once you break above these previous candle highs. From the 33s up there to the 70s. I feel like it's not rocket science, but maybe it is. I don't know. Is it rocket science? I can't figure it out. Again, pulling back here into the 40s. ICT is gonna smoke you. Be ready for the money. LOL. The only thing that ICT is smoking is a crack pipe. That's the only thing that ICT smokes. And that's a crack pipe. All right, so Nasdaq back down here again. We've had this big move up this morning. We've got FOMC. Lots of stuff going on the rest of the day. If you're sitting here right now and you're wondering what to do next, nothing wrong with not taking a trade as much as you want to take a trade. If you're green and you're wondering, what do I do now? What am I going to do now? Well, nothing wrong with just being patient. They're trying to push it up here again. Watch that 55 level. All right, so now you're basically waiting for a candle to make a new high through kind of that 50-55 level here. And then try to run there towards the 80s. Dollar's pulling back here. Nasdaq wants to go. Tested that 55 level again. Couldn't get through the 55s for now. You got the Dow bull flag in. You got the Nasdaq sitting here. Patrick, look at the 2-minute chart. Oh, what chart is this? In Nasdaq 2. LOL. There's that break through the 55s. The high so far are 71s. Up there, 66s, 69s. Oh. Patrick. But Patrick, why? Why did you not tell me? Why? Why, Patrick, why? If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. You know what to do. You know what to do. All right, push up there through the 80s now, pulling back here. It's kind of grinding higher. Got 19,500 area up there. I mean, the 15-minute chart, 15-minute opening range. That's what, 50 points minimum, basically. So, I don't know. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. This is not me sitting here hiding any type of idea or like, oh, Patrick, you have to buy my course to learn how to trade the 15-minute chart. You can clearly see it works. It's not rocket science. Or maybe it is, I don't know. Dollar's pulling back. ES is going straight up. The Dow's going straight up. The Nasdaq's going straight up here. One more time. If this candle holds 75s, it's going to squeeze up there. It's got to hold 75s, though. You saw it just held that 75s right back to the 82s there. Try to get this break through the 82s and go up there 95, 500 next. Can we get it? They just need to hold that 75s there. 75s to hold. Trying to get this push up there. We went to a high so far of 88s. 19,500 up there next. Someone in the chat just asked me if I'm looking to get short. Are you serious? Is that a real question? Or is that a fake question? That's a fake question, right? That's not a real question. That's not a real question, is it? He's kidding me, right? He's kidding. He's kidding. He's obviously kidding. And there we go, up there to the 92s now. $19,500. You got a pivot point all the way up there. Look at that, 580s to the upside there, so. Got the ES on a mission to the 5,572 area. All right. Like I said, up there into the 90s now. 94s, 75s. Let's talk about this one more time. Why that 75 area was so important. Look at that. When you see these candles open like this and it kind of holds, it's like holding right there. That's showing that the buyers have pressure. They're pushing, they're pushing. We saw earlier the idea of getting in there above the 55s. You saw how nicely that played out. We had the 15-minute range. I mean, it's textbook today, boys. Textbook Patrick Wieland setups. 15-minute opening range from the 415s up to a high of 494. Let's just play it back. Let's just think about it. Like, how did this play out? How did this play out? Look at that dump right now. Whoa. Back down 40 points. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, buddy. No bueno, no bueno. I love the people in the chat that are talking about how they missing out on the short, guys. The fuck? Like, if you think you're gonna pick every top and every bottom and you're gonna short at the top and you're gonna fucking buy the bottom every time, like, come on, you're just being silly now. You're just being silly. You know? I don't know, there's always somebody in the chat that's like, yeah, but Patrick, why didn't you buy? Patrick, why did you not buy down here at 19,310.75? I told you it was gonna bounce right there. I told you, Patrick. Why did you not buy there? I told you. I told you, Patrick. Patrick, why did you not buy down there? You're so bad. You're the worst trader ever, Patrick. Why would you not buy right down there? ICT traders can short the top and buy at the bottom. No jokes. Yeah. No, they definitely can. Yeah, no. I'm losing brain cells just by thinking about that comment. Losing brain cells. It hurts. My brain hurts. Just thinking about the idea that someone thinks that, actually believes that, I guess. All right, it's time to go fishing. That's what I'm gonna do. It is now, time to go fishing here. So big thank you guys for tuning in. I would do more of a little bit of recap, but I gotta run. It's 10:45 right now. The market going straight up from open. Do a little bit of chop, the breakout, the 15-minute range. It was beautiful. If you guys have already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We'll be back tomorrow for Thirsty Thursdays. Remember, 2 p.m. is the FOMC meeting. Don't be stupid. Don't gamble. Don't hope and pray. Trade the setups. Make the money. Come back tomorrow. See you all later.